So hello friends, I hope you are very well. So friends, I come back in new video and good video and good website. So friends, you can see that this is my home mobile phone impress. You can see this dollar tree. This mail name, this website name is dollar tree, and you can see that this website is very comfortable and profitable. So I explain in this video how to deposit and how to withdraw and how to earn in this video. So I explain in this video, so please my video watch fully. So friends, you can see that first step, please input your email, then after please enter your login password, and then after fill in the password, and after confirm password, then after transaction password please enter invitation code, then after telegram and tap on the register button. I already login in this register in this website, so I login in this website. So please you can see that tap on the login button, and you can see that my login is successful. Dollar Tree website is open simply and carefully. You can see that all companies profile and agencies, and this is company profile. You can see that Dollar Tree Iceland, all over them you can see that. You can see the recharge button and withdrawal button name VIP 1, VIP 2 and VIP 3, VIP 4, and you can see that over time, and after you can see that here, and total investment statement and other things. Tap on the VIP button, tap, and after you can see that here vintage cushion green and total, and you can tap on the submit button doing, and you can tap on the here and submit button again and again. And back here, and you can see that here and your complete order. Today my order is completed, and tap on the task button, then after task button your completed button. You can see that my 5 products complete in this here, and how to deposit in this website. You can see that recharge button, copy this address and copy QR after and submit button, and your deposit receipt only 5 minutes and 1 minute. You most earning in this here, and send to friends, send our friends Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, other platforms, and you earn a lot of money in this website. Copy this is referral code, and this is invitation link, and you create our team and earns money. You earn here VIP 1 task, 5 tasks daily, and 1.20 USDT daily, and 5 VIP 2 15 and 5 USDT earn daily. Tap on the mine button, and you can see that 2.21.00. This is my 2-day income. Personal information here, and recharge here, the withdrawal here, and fund you can see that here, and withdrawal method, add withdrawal method, and real name, email, and phone number, and address. Try tap on all over, fill in here, and tap on USDT and TRC20, and here, and your network here. All over fill here, and password and TRC20, and tap on the submit button. Your withdrawal method successfully fill in here. You can tap on the back button, and how to withdraw in this website I explain in this video. Tap on the withdrawal button, and you can see that account, amount to 1.2000 my daily amount, and withdrawal password. Tap on here and submit button. My withdrawal is successfully here, and you can see that my withdrawal is successful here. This is my transaction reward and experiments. You can see that here. Okay, withdrawal record, you can see that 1.20 successful, and you all over happy here. So this is very good website for earning. You can tap on the my description box link and earn successfully and earn daily without any problem. So please, I hope you understand very well. So friends, I meet a next video in this. So please, bye and take care.